Standard First. Subject English. Chapter Fun Time. Welcome, children. Today we are going to learn how to write letters I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I will also show you how to use them to draw pictures. So let's start. This is how you write letter I. This is letter I. I for ice cream. This is how you write letter J. This is letter J. J for jug. This is letter K. K for kettle. This is letter L. L for ladder. This is how you have to write letter M. This is letter M. M for mat. This is how you have to write letter N. This is letter N. N for nib. This is letter O. O for owl. This is how you write letter P. This is letter P. P for pineapple. So children, hope you will practice writing all these letters at home.